So Mr. Satya, in the given figure, ABCD is a parallelogram. So this is a parallelogram, therefore this line is parallel to this and this line is parallel to this. Are we okay till here, Mr. Satya?
Yes, sir.
DL is perpendicular to AB and DM is perpendicular to BC. So DL is perpendicular to AB and DM is perpendicular to BC. Are we okay till here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If AB is 18 centimeter, BC is 12 centimeter, DM is 10 centimeter, this is 10 centimeter. Find DL. Sarthak, what do you propose? How can we find?
Yes, sir. So we'll take the vertical form of the parallelogram. So it will be 12 into 10. Base in 5 will be 12 into 10.
Shabash.
So 20 centimeters square. So 18 into DL equals 120 centimeters square. So the answer will be 6 2 upon 3.
Shabash. Satya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
See, Satya, the area of a parallelogram is, if this is the line L, this is B. So the area of a parallelogram is L into B. Do we agree to this?
Yes, sir.
I'm sorry, yeah. 1 second. Sorry. Okay. I keep confusing that with the area of a rectangle. So this is L, this is H, so this would be L into H. Mr. Sarthak, is it correct?
Yes.
Mr. Satya, is it correct?
Yes, sir.
See, what you need to understand is that if this is L, this is H, I can also put the same parallelogram as Mr. Sarthak has said. I can also make this parallelogram vertical. Do you agree to this? Mr. Satya, do you agree to this?
Yes, sir.
See, what Mr. Sarthak is trying to tell you is that the parallelogram can be put like this. It can be put like this. It can also be put like this. Let us say it is put like this at an angle. So the area of parallelogram would remain the same. Do we agree to this or not?
Yes,
Mr.
sir.
Satya. Now we can keep changing the direction of the parallelogram, but the area would remain the same. Mr. Sarthak, do we agree?
Yes.
So the area would remain the same. So 18 into DL would be equal to 120. So DL would be equal to 12 into 10 upon 18. Mr. Sarthak, do we agree?
Yes, sir.
So 20 upon 3, this would be 6 2 by 3. Mr. Satya, any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Mr. Sarthak, any doubt?